Welcome to this southeast-facing 2-bedroom, 2-bath Alpine executive tourist home, whose second-floor location boasts superior mountain views. The many windows surrounding its open floor plan, which encompasses just over 1,000 square feet, bathed its inviting living spaces in natural light. This condo makes a great full-time or part-time residence that can be rented out long or short-term to help pay the mortgage. When you are in residence, though, you'll appreciate the kitchen's large eating area and adjacent dining area, where you can share food and drinks with friends. Slip out onto the generous covered deck to savor the gorgeous vista of Lady Macdonald, knowing you are but a stone's throw from all the services of downtown Canmore, with immediate access to the walking, running, and biking trails that Canmore is growing famous for. In addition to a master bedroom ensuite, the home also offers another bedroom with ensuite privilege, as well as a laundry area and 2 baths with toe-warming under-tile heat. Residents here are treated to secure elevator access, 1 heated underground parking stall, and additional storage for bicycles and skis. Call for your tour today.